Hello friends, in class 9 science chapter 3 atoms and molecules. In this video we will discuss about the symbols of atoms of different elements. First of all, what is an atom? The building blocks of all matter are atoms. It can be compared with one room. Actually, room is formed by the walls and each wall is made up of the bricks. We can say what is the building block of that room? That is the bricks. In the same way, the building blocks of all matter are atoms. Now, how big are atoms? Atoms are very small. Even we can't imagine it. Atomic radius is measured in nanometer. This is the unit. Nanometer. What is this nanometer? 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. And 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power 9 nanometer. Okay. Now, if you want to compare the atom with the particles which we can see in our daily life, just look to this table, relative sizes. Start from apple. This is 10 raised to the power minus 1 meter. 10 raised to the power minus 1 meter means 10 centimeter. Okay. And this is 10 raised to the power minus 3. Grain of sand, this is 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter. Molecule of hemoglobin, 10 raised to the power minus 8 meter. Molecule of water, 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. And atom of hydrogen is 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. You can say how small these atoms and molecules. Okay. Symbols of atoms of different elements. First, what is the meaning of these symbols? Shorthand representation of an atom of an element, that is called symbol. Okay. Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbols for elements in a very specific sense. You can see this. Hydrogen represented like this. This is carbon. This is oxygen. This is phosphorus. This is sulfur, iron. This is copper. This is lead, silver, gold, platinum, and this is mercury. These symbols were given by the Dalton. Berzelius suggested that the symbols of elements be made from one or two letters of the name of the element. Okay. Now, how the name of element is given. In the beginning, the names of elements were derived from the name of the place where they were found for the first time. For example, the name copper was taken from Cyprus. Some names were taken from specific colors. For example, gold was taken from English word meaning yellow. But nowadays, there is one international agency, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, is an international scientific organization which approves names of elements, symbols, and units. Many of symbols are the first one or two letters of the element's name in English. The first letter of a symbol is always written as a capital letter and the second letter as a small letter. For example, hydrogen, only one letter symbol is there, capital H. Aluminium, two letter symbol, A is capital and L is small. Don't write aluminium like this, it will be wrong. Okay. Cobalt, C is capital and O is small. But if you write this both capital, this represent the carbon monoxide. That's why take care when you write the symbols of these elements. Now, how name of the elements taken. Symbols of some elements are formed from the first letter of the name and a letter appearing later in the name. For example, like chlorine, its first letter is C. That's why this is C capital. But this the L is taken. This is not just after the first letter of chlorine. This is later. Okay, that's why Cl. Again, remember C is capital, L is small. In the form of in the same case zinc, Zn. Okay. Other symbols have been taken from the names of elements in Latin, German, or Greek. You see the some examples like antimony. Symbol is Sb, but in its name, S and B both are not coming. Actually, its name is stibbium. Okay. Then copper. This is Cu. This is taken from cuprum. Gold. Au. This is taken from aurum. Iron. This is Fe. This is taken from ferrum. Sodium. Na. This is taken from natrium. Potassium is K, not P. Remember it. Potassium is K. It is taken from kalium. Silver, Ag. This is taken from argentum. Tin, Sn. This is taken from stannum. Tungsten, W. This is taken from wolfram. Mercury, Hg. This is hydrate serum. Okay. And lead, this is Pb. This is taken from plumbum. Clear? These are the some symbols which are based on the Latin or German or Greek name of the element. Dear student, presently more than 114 elements are known, and it is very difficult to remember all the elements. You can remember, it is not impossible, but you can remember. But up to your standard, you have to learn some elements which are useful for you in class 9th. Okay, and these elements are aluminium. This is Al. Again, you have to remember when you write the symbol small letter and capital letter. A is capital, L is small. Argon, Ar. Barium, Ba. Boron, B. Bromine, Br. Calcium, Ca. Carbon, C. Chlorine, Cl. Cobalt, Co. Remember, C is capital, O is small. Copper, Cu. Fluorine, F. Gold, Au. Hydrogen, H. Iodine, I. Iron, Fe. Lead, Pb. Magnesium, Mg. Neon, Ne. Then nitrogen, N. Oxygen, O. This O is capital. Potassium, K. Potassium, not P. Potassium is K. Silicon, Si. Silver, Ag. Sodium is Na. Don't write sodium as S. Okay, S is for sulfur. For sodium, Na from natrium. Uranium, U. And zinc, Zn. Try to memorize these symbols of the some elements. Okay, students? Thank you.